Hi everyone, my name is Emeka, a data analyst specialist here at Amdari. And today I'm going to be walking you through on how to create a professional dashboard in Tableau. Come with me, let me walk you through. Now, as you can see here, I've created my visuals, right? And I would like to walk you through some few things I've created some visuals. Now I want to create my dashboard. One of the issues people face when creating dashboard in Tableau is understanding the concept of containers, right? So you need to understand your containers, your vertical containers, your horizontal containers. They are building blocks that help you to organize and structure your visuals effectively. It's very important to understand the concept of your blanks also, because blanks are like separators. They help you organize your dashboard without wasting much of your time. Let's get into it. But the best practice, first thing I do when creating my dashboard is I need to understand what kind of dashboard do I want to create. So I kind of give it a rough sketch. And you can see from my visual here, what I want to do is I want to create a dashboard that has a sidebar, then this spacing where I'll fit in all my visuals, my line charts, and my scatter plots, things like this. So it's a best practice to always sketch. So it will help you organize your dashboard properly. Now let's get into it. First thing I want to do is resize my Canva. So I come over here, go to this range, pick size, and I give it 200, and over here I make it 800. Now I'm going to start with my vertical container. So I'll float it in. Yeah, come over to the layout to resize it to fit in to the Canva. Go here 0, 0. Then I have the 1, 2, and I have the 800. Sorry, 800. Now you can see it is fitting now. What did I say I wanted to create? This is what I want to create. So I need something that will give me the sidebar. Now I will start with a blank. Like I said, blanks are more like a separator. Drop it over here. Coming with, since I want the sidebar to be side by side, you can see it over here from this visual. It is side by side, like the sidebar, then this part for the rest of the dashboard. So I'm going to drag it by horizontal, put it by the side, drag it over here. So now I have my sidebar, then this space where I have my blank. And you can tell this is a blank because all around it, the line around it is graded out, is in gray color. But if I click here, you can see dark blue. This shows there's a container here, but here there's a blank. So now, if you click outside, you can see you can't tell that there is something there. So what I do is to go to the layout, color it to the background, color it so that you can identify that there's something here. Now I have my blank. I'm going to come here and drag in a vertical container because over here things are going to be stacked on itself. So I'm going to drag in my vertical container. Open this. We adjust this first so it doesn't take all the space. Now I have my vertical container. Then over here I still have the blank. I'll take out the blank. His job is done. Now I have my vertical container. So in order to be able to visibly separate or see the lines that separate the rest of the visuals, I'm going to drag in another blank to be on top of the vertical container. So I'll drag it here. Now what else do I want to do? Another container, vertical, drop it. I'm going to adjust this. Like I said in the visual, I want 1, 2, 3. So I want 3 stacked like this. This is the blank right here. So I'll click on another vertical container. So I have 1, 2, drag another one, another vertical container. So 1, 2, 3. So I have 1, 2, 3. So let me adjust this. 1, 2, 3. In order for us to be able to differentiate it or give it 3 separate colors, come to the layout, background, here. Let me give you something to separate. Good. Here. Remember, I'll be able to take out the color when I'm done. This is just for me to be able to separate it. Now I have something different. So I have 1, 2, 3. From our visual, you can see 1, 2, 3. Now I want side by side spacing for my visual. So I want something here, here, and here. So what do I have to do? Remember, I said my container here. I'm going to drag in my vertical horizontal container because I want it side by side. Drag something here, drag it down. So I'm going to adjust this. Okay, great. Now let me take out this blank over here. So I have this. Now I'm going to drag in what? A blank. Remember, a separator, dragging a blank. Drag it here. Dragging my horizontal container by the side. Readjust it. Now I want three different ones. This is a blank. This is a horizontal container. So I'm going to come here on the horizontal container, drag it by the side. So I have two on the blank, dragging another horizontal container. So I have to, what do I do? Take out this blank to readjust it. And you can see we have 1, 2, 3. Let me do this. So I will change the colors for you to see it, visually see it. This now we have, like we said in our sketch, one sidebar, this. You see, because I have the sketch, it's easier for me to do it. Now I understand it might look a little bit difficult for you at the first try, but practice makes perfect. So what do I want to do now? Take out none, take out the colors, take out the colors. I'm going to take out this color, take out this color, take out this color. Now I have my sketch here. So what do I need to do? Come over here, then I can drag in first. I can drag in one of this visual. So let me finish up with everything, then I will show you what our finished product looks like. If you want to learn more to create how to create professional dashboard, how to create insightful visuals, that is the best way for you. We make sure we help you practice in the best way possible, give you the real world scenarios you will use in the real world. Thank you very much once again. I hope to see you in the next episode.